Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the healing brush tool in Photoshop to remove blemishes. You can do this with any of your photos. I do it with my photos all the time. Friends and families, they'll ask me to help them out. So if this is how we really look, and you don't really want that on social media or in a yearbook, this is what you do. This is a girl I do not know. It's from the web. It's just some unknown person to us. I apologize to her. I don't know who she is. But anyway, you click on the blemish fix folder. Click on this girl photo, right click, save image as. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. You can too, or you can save it to your photo folder, wherever you want to save it. And then open Photoshop. Photoshop is open for me, but I need to do File, Open. There she is in the search where you saved it. I saved it to my desktop, so I have it right there. Open, and there she is. Okay, so over here in your tools, you have several tools here. This one that looks like a band-aid has a little dotted circle around it is called the Spot Healing Brush tool, and that's what we're going to use. You can choose the size through here. We'll just stick with the size of this. I think it's a good size. You don't really have to mess with anything else. So I'm going to zoom in, Control plus plus, we'll zoom. Or there's a zoom tool here. You could drag, make it bigger. So let's see, I'll start with this one. One click, it's gone. One click, gone, gone. What it does is it takes the surrounding pixels of the color and fills it into that circle. So if this circle is a little bit too big and I'm getting around this area, I don't want the pixels of her hair color to go on her face. So for that reason, I would have to make the size smaller if I wanted to get right around here. Right here, I'll just keep it as small. And you can see that piece of hair kind of disappeared because it put pixels in from nearby, but that's not noticeable at all. I don't think that's a problem. I think you can go with that. It looks more natural as if it's bigger, especially if you're in the middle of the face. So if we're going to stick to around here, I'm going to stick to the larger one. Here's some areas right there that needs a lot of help. And that's it. I'm going to go down to her chin, right here, one more here. If I make it even bigger, I can go right in the middle of her forehead and just do one big click. That didn't look good. I'm going to do Control Z and go back because I felt like it took a little too much. That means my circle was a little too big. Try that. Now it took, see that dark area? Control Z, go back. Maybe I might want to reconsider that. Take it down to small again. Small. One more right here. Okay. I'm going to go back to the regular size, Control 0 or Control minus. And that's how she looks now. File, save as, name it, or keep it the same name, hit save, and upload it to Schoology, and that's the end of the assignment. Good luck.